Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a reflective shadow effect to any objects in Canva. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just open your designs. And then just upload the image that you want to add a reflective shadow to. Make sure your background is removed for the best results. And then next, just go to apps. And then search for easy reflections, like this one. Just tap on it and then just tap on your image like this, and then just tap on create reflections like this. And then in here you can choose the positions of the reflections. You can choose below, above, left, right, and then you can adjust the offset, opacity, just adjust it as you like. For example, I will make it like this, and then when you're done, just tap on add to the sides like this. Next, you can just position the reflections below your object so it will look natural. Okay, like this. And then you can even add a soft shadow underneath to enhance the effect. And okay, that's it, a simple reflection shadow to make your objects pop in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.